Do you want to change someone's nickname in Instagram group chat? You can set a nickname for each member on Instagram group with just a few simple settings. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to change nickname in Instagram group chat. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To change someone's nickname in an Instagram group chat. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Now, tap the message icon in the top right corner of the home screen to access your direct messages. From your list of chats, tap on the group chat where you want to change the nickname. You are now on the group chat conversation screen. At the top of the chat conversation screen, tap the group name to open the group settings. Here, you will see different group settings options. Scroll down to nicknames and tap on it. On the new screen, you will see a list of all members in the group chat. To set a nickname for someone in the group, tap on the person whose nickname you want to change. A pop-up screen will appear. Enter the new nickname in the nickname section and tap Done to confirm. Repeat the same steps for each group member to set a unique nickname. Once you set a nickname for a group member, a notification will appear in the group chat informing everyone that the nickname has changed.